I'm Scott Helker of Waterline Boats and Boat Shed Seattle, presenting a brief interior walkthrough of our 2002 Bracewell Pacesetter 540. This yacht was built by respected Canadian builder Bracewell Boat Works in Richmond, British Columbia. Notable on this 54-foot motor yacht is a huge amount of interior space. The main salon has a couple of stressless recliners, an entertainment center, and a large L-shaped seating area to starboard. Lots of light and visibility throughout. Just a couple of steps up is the pilot house. Note Bracewell's trademark use of beautiful woods and finishes. This boat's built with cherry and bird's eye maple throughout. The gourmet galley is to starboard with a full-size fridge, solid surface countertops, and solid surface cooktop. Helm station is on center line with a great view forward. And the dining area is to port. Because of the very forward placement of the pilot house and the sharply raked foredeck area, there's tremendous forward visibility, and in fact visibility all around from the helm station. A graceful curving staircase leads down to the forward staterooms. It's well lit from overhead by the pilot house windows. Looking into the forward guest stateroom, we see a queen-size berth and again beautiful joinery and cabinetry throughout. The guest head is to port with an access from the companionway and from the stateroom. The midships stateroom has an over and under bunk arrangement and a combination washer-dryer. The master stateroom is located amidships for comfort and quiet and is a full-width stateroom with a vanity to port, a private head and shower compartment, and a queen-size walk-around berth. Returning to the pilot house, we're looking at the access stairs for the flybridge. The stairs are built so as not to obscure the vision from the pilot house to the aft quarters of the boat while docking. For many more large format photos of the boat and complete details, see our websites waterlineboats.com or boatshedseattle.com.